Hello all, my name is Max, and this is my presentation for my one-line diagram for the NEC project. So here I have my one-line diagram showing my utility bus and then all the other components detailed in the project description specifications. So here's my 4MDS utility switchboard. And here's the required XC2 transformer, stepping it down from 480 volts to 208 volts. And then here are my 4A1 and 2C2 panel boards that are being installed. So this project is to install this transformer and then these two panel boards. So on here I also have the circuit breakers. 3 of them are being installed in this project, and then here are my main power lines. Providing power to each of the panel boards. So those have been sized as well, and all of those specifications are listed down here in my notes. Any other sizing or specs are going to be attached to this main drawing. So for sizing the main lines, I went and looked at how much power each of these two panel boards were providing to their loads to see how much current they'd be drawing from the utility. So I went and sized it from there. So for my main line 1, it's going to be 3-phase, 100 feet each, as said in the project description, copper THHN line. All of these lines are copper THHN, and then they are, excuse me, all different gauges. So my main line 1 is 3 gauge, and then the grounding wire to handle all 3. Say there's a line to ground fault, is going to be 400 gauge. There's the most current going through this line. So for that, I took the phase current coming out of here for each line, multiplied it by 1.25, and then sized up on the NEC sheet to get those gauge ratings. And then for the circuit breaker sizing, I didn't multiply by 1.25 for my phase current coming out here, and then I sized that down for NEC. So I did that for all 3 lines and then for all 3 circuit breakers. So yeah, the circuit breaker ratings are all provided in the one-line diagram. Those are pretty straightforward, and then there's a little more details for the lines, so I have that provided down here. So main line 2 details are as follows, and these are going to be a little smaller. There's less current going through here, and then as the voltage is stepped down across this transformer, the current goes up. So then I've rated those for higher values as well. This may change. I haven't done my sizing for my load wiring or my conduits there. So if it's cheaper to buy those in bulk, I may change these gauges. But these are the minimum required ones for all 3 of these main lines. And then for the panel boards, I sized those by looking at my available fault current from the utility bus, and that was 39 kiloamps. So each of these is rated to handle well over that at their rated voltage, which is great. So I selected, and these are switched. I need to switch these. So for my 4A1 panel board, I selected an AS type GE panel board, and then for my 2C2, it's going to be an AQ type panel board. Yeah, and then as detailed in the project description, the transformer that's being installed is a Schneider Electric Premium 30, which the specs on that are given right here. So yeah, this is my project. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.